Hi everyone, welcome back to this playlist. So in this video we will see how to set up Pycharm for Python, right? So this video will divide in four sections. First of all, we will see how to download and install Pycharm. Then we will download the Python latest versions. After that we will do setup, and once all things will complete, we will see and program. We will try to run a program. So let's get into this. So first of all, open any browser. Here I am using a Chrome in incognito mode. You can use any browsers. You can use Brave, you can use an Microsoft Edge, you can use a Firefox, any browser if you want. So just write on search bar download Pycharm and press enter. The first link you will see by jetbrains.com. So click on that download Pycharm link. So now guys, here if you're a Windows user, then you have to click on Windows. If you're a Mac user, then you have to click on Mac. If you're Linux user, then you have to click on Linux, right? Now guys, as I am a Windows user, so I am going to click on Windows. So guys, here you will find two different versions. One is professional and second is community. So you have to download community version. I'm assuming that you don't have an account on this jetbrain.com. So click on download button. Once you click on that button, you will see that your Pycharm get started downloading. So it will take a little more time. So let's pause this video and I'll continue when it downloads. So guys, here you can see that I have downloaded a Pycharm. Now you have to right click on this and run as administrator. So now you have to click on next. If you want to change your download locations, so you can here change it, but I'll keep it default. Now guys, remember here, if you want to update a path, then you can click on add bin folder to paths, and here I don't want to create any shortcut, and yeah, nothing. Yeah, just keep continue. Install it. So now it will take a little bit more time, so let's pause this video. So now guys, you can see that our Pycharm has successfully installed. So I will click on finish. For downloading Python, you have to again open your browsers and write here download Python. Now you will see the first link by python.org. Just click on that. It will automatically show you the latest version at the top. Just you have to click on that version. As I click, you can see that my Python has started downloaded. So as I'm in my download folders, so I can see here my Python 3.10.4. So right click on this and run as administrator. Now guys, remember, before moving ahead, click on this checkbox. It's mandatory for you to add a path. So once you click on that, click on install now. Now guys, you can see that setup has successfully installed. Now we are done with the second step too. Now let's move to the third steps, which is main, do the setup in a Pycharm. Let's close this first. Now let's open a Pycharm. Here I have already been using Pycharm, so it will suggest me my latest project, but I hope in your system it will show it here nothing. So click on new project. Now here you have to name of your project where you want to create a project. If you want to change the directory, then you can change it from here. You can move to anywhere, and the name of project I want to keep is code rep project. So now as I have named my project, now let's click on create. you will see this kind of interface once you click on create, right? So now let's create one file here. For creating a file, you can click on right button of this folder and new. And if you want to create a directory, then you have to click on this directory button. If you want to create a file, then you can click on file, either Python file or here file. Both will work same. Let's say I create on Python file, and the name would be lecture1 L1, right? As I click on enter, you will see here that it has created L1.py. Let me make size a little bigger. So I hope now you can see that this has created a lecture1.py, which is this. I can write here anything. Now guys, if you still facing any issue in this, then you can click on this here where you can see the Python 3.10. You can click on this and you can go to the interpreter setting, add interpreter, and if you see that here is no interpreter has been selected, so click on your Python 3.10 and click on OK. I hope now this will be sufficient for you to run the Python program. So let's cancel this. Now let's run a program here first. Our last and final steps to run a Python program. So let's say first of all I tell you that simple program. So let's write one command print hello code wrapped. If you guys are not aware with this what it will do, don't worry, the next video will be based on this only. We will see how to run a program, what is in the init function, what are everything we will learn. But for now purpose to check that whether this is, Pycharm is working fine or not, I'm going to run a simple this print statements. So let's run this. For run these programs, what you have to do, there are three methods to run this program. The first, you can click on right click and you can see that here run L1 means your L1 is your file name, as I created my file with the L1. So if you click on this, then you will see hello code web. You are successfully able to run your program, right? Now the second way is you can click on this button. It will also work same. The third way is you can press a short key Control Shift F10. This will also work as same. I hope you got an idea. If you are not able to see this output, so let me make it bigger again. So now you can see that we have successfully got our output hello code wrapped. So guys, I hope you got an idea that how to install a Pycharm, then how to install Python, after that how to do setup in the Pycharm, and once you have done that, you will be able to successfully run your Python program. I guarantee you, if you did all these steps correct. If still you face any kind of issue, you can write your problem in comment section. I will definitely check out there. So guys, if you are new to this video, make sure you subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video.